I think young people coming into the workforce today are looking for things that are exciting and challenging and fulfilling. And anybody that's been in manufacturing for the last, couple decades or so, know that the industry is changing from, standing next to a machine running production parts to automation. I think that's what's going to get the younger generation in as well, because it's exciting, it's challenging, it offers flexibility. When you can make a machine stable and run by itself, now you're freed up to work on other things. So I think automation is going to be just core for everything we do in manufacturing, and it's going to be what brings a lot of young new talent into the industry.
I feel like kids coming out of high school are primarily driven by money, and I think being a machinist not only is financially rewarding, there's a lot of opportunities to grow within the industry, but what you can do every single day, turning a piece of raw material into a finished good that can help someone in their day-to-day lives, is incredibly rewarding, being able to see it from start to finish.
I think for some people, definitely the new technology coming, all the robotics, the automation. I mean, it's pretty impressive what we can do out there with these machines, and I think that's helps us out a lot. And then I also think for other people, I think the ability to take a piece of raw material and make a finished good is impressive. I mean, sometimes you make them in 4 seconds. A lot of people are impressed by that.